Hello guys, it's Jake here at Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video on this Triumph Tiger 800 XRT. So here it is, it's a 2018 on an 18 plate with 8,709 miles on it. And as you can see, it is a lovely bit of kit. This finished in this gorgeous metallic silver. It is the XRT, so it comes fully spec'd out. You've got the heated front and rear seat. You've got the free box luggage. Also comes with the Arrow exhaust on there as well, which sounds incredible. If you rewind it a little bit, you'll get to hear that. Colour TFT display. You've got cruise control, you've got your riding modes, factory fitted heated grips. You've got the auxiliary spotlights, engine bars, you've got the taller screen. You've got that 800 engine on there as well, which kicks out a claimed brake horsepower of 94. So there's plenty of poke. It is definitely no slouch at all. It's also got the covers for the headlamps and a sump guard on there as well. But if you are interested, get yourself down, give us a call and get it bought. Thank you very much for watching.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish. And we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.